blue. But now, Topslot improves their values. 700x on the red, 14x on... Topslot, crazy time at 25 times. Guess which one will serve you the best. But first things first, Topslot improves the values of these multiple...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Saturday winners go on Speedy. Congratulations, guys, with us. 50x for everyone, guys. Congratulations. What is that, Dramita? Let's go to one, guys. Cash out a 10x to the fly. Can you win big for us like you did for the Codeman? Canos. We just got a 50x multiplier, yep. And now we got a question with a 10x multiplier. Guys, Kaizen, are you still here? You were saying, don't bet, guys. There was a message in the chat. Don't bet, guys. Are you still here, Kaizen? Guys, listen for those advice, yeah, from the players in the chat. That's exactly what you need to do. No, guys, I'm joking. Of course, never listen to this advice in the chat. Yeah, the people who saying, don't bet, that this game is something else. Yeah, guys. Better report these players to our chat moderator. This board. 10x multiply, guys. 1000x on the board. Let's go. Ciao, Andro. Magandang hapon. How you doing? Thanks, man. You're welcome. Man, you're a beast. Wait, I've heard that's something different just 10 minutes ago, to be honest. 10 minutes ago, the people were calling me 1 or 2. And now some kind of the beast already. I don't know what you're talking about. What kind of the beast? All right, guys, 6 down for me. This is a cactus there. Wish you the best of luck. 100.
This is the amount of money issued, 788,222 euros.
Boom, 68 winners with a 1k X multiply. Congratulations. Only over the 200 players with a 50x. It's not that much. 8,150 winners. Kurza, you are the champion, my friend. Congratulations with that. Congratulations. Easy 1k, Grammy. No way, my man. Easy 1k, brother. Easy 1k.
Rhea Bakuyig, Drop, KN, Shranov, my compliments to your top winners. Well played. Topslot, coin flip 7 times multiplier. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the winning segment is coin flip. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the bonus round. And let's see how it goes. 100x in red, 2x in blue. But now, Topslot improves their values. 700x on the red, 14x on blue. The stakes are high, always have been, players. Let's go, champ.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,627,443 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, mission accomplished. Plus for player 214500, Flezes. My compliments, your top winners. Bets are open now. No more bets, thank you. Topslot, crazy time at 25 times multiplier. Crazy time it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we play for. Welcome to Crazy Time. This wheel has 3 flappers. Time to take a guess. Which one will serve you the best? But first things first, Topslot improves the values of these multipliers on the wheel 25 times. Alright, players, time to decide. Or you can let the game decide for you. Are you ready for the pressure? Alright, decision time is closed. Maximum multiplier is 2,500x.
This is the amount of money issued 3,674,401 euros.
1,250x multiplier on green. You act like you're surprised. Good job. 9,197 players just won this game. Fave, 289,889 euro win for you in this game. Get ready for the next round. Betting time is closed. Thank you very much.
$170 winners. That's quite cool. Congratulations. For now, let's go for another round and let's see how it goes. We have 5x and crazy time. Sheesh! Whoa! Wow! Okay, crazy time with 5x from the Topslot. Good luck! Well, welcome to the Crazy's Digital Wheel. Please enjoy the site. Ladies and gentlemen, your time to multiply the whole fun. Well, since the multipliers are multiplied, let's make your decisions, okay? So we have green, blue, and yellow flappers. Please pick one and good luck. Okay, the highest multiplier is 500x. Good luck with that, or a double.
This is the amount of money issued 328,938 euros.
That's cool. And yellow was the least chosen color, you guys. How cool is that? Good luck.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.